Honorable Chairman, Pakistan is at its peak time. This is the best time and the finest hour for Pakistan. As we all know, India attempted to dominate the region and shift the balance of power, but their ambitions were decisively crushed. Pakistan emerged stronger than before, not just as a regional power, but as a symbol of restraint, courage, and strategic brilliance. Our armed forces avoided any civilian casualty, focusing solely on military installations, upholding moral superiority and preventing wider escalation. India sought to provoke and isolate us from the entire world. A new military reality has taken shape, led by Pakistan and fortified by our unbreakable alliance with China. I salute the Army Chief, General Syed Asim Munir, Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee, General Sahil Shamshad Mirza, Air Chief and Naval Chief. We honor all those who fought in Operation Bunyanul Marsus, especially our brave martyrs who fought for our homeland, including women and innocent children who were martyred. I also appreciate our Honorable Prime Minister, Chief Minister of all province, Chief Minister Punjab and Punjab government who fought from the front, standing behind the armed forces. I thank the United States and all countries who tried their best so that this would not escalate any further. This victory is a result of unity, patriotism, and strategic excellence. It deserves national recognition. Myself and my colleague, Mehwi Sultana, today submitted a resolution, and I request you to accept this resolution calling for this day to be recognized nationally. We would like to suggest that 10th May be officially declared as Yawm-e Pakistan. Pakistan, Fateh Pakistan, Yawm-e Pakistan, Pakistan's Victory Day. Pakistan Zindabad, Afaj Pakistan Paindabad.